Professional portable carpet cleaner. Bissell Spot Clean Pro compact carpet cleaner combines powerful vacuum suction, scrubbing action, and cleaning solution for professional cleaning results, removing stubborn dirt and tough stains. Designed to easily clean carpet, upholstery, stairs, area rugs, auto interiors, and more. Large capacity, 3/4 gallon tank. Professional tools, 6-inch stair tool and tough stain tool. Large hose for extended cleaning. 22-inch power cord. Trial size Bissell 2X Professional Deep Cleaning Formula. Clean up spots and stains anywhere. Superior suction. This small but mighty portable carpet cleaner is equipped with powerful suction to remove spots, stains, and stubborn dirt. Cleans multiple surfaces. Bissell Spot Clean Pro makes it easy to tackle stains and stubborn dirt on carpets, upholstery, stairs, area rugs, auto interiors, and more. Professional results combines powerful suction, scrubbing action, and professional cleaning solution to remove tough spots, stubborn stains, embedded dirt, and more. Cleaning features large capacity tank. Large capacity tank holds 3/4 gallon, allowing you to clean more area without emptying and filling the tank. Long reach power cord. Long, 22/4 power cord allows you to easily clean hard to reach areas such as rugs, stairs, and upholstery. 6-inch stair tool, great for cleaning stairs, larger furniture areas, and other hard to reach surfaces. This hard-working tool easily attaches to the Spot Clean Pro hose. Professional portable carpet cleaner.